ABELDent Scribe is an AI-powered assistant that can save you time and effort by monitoring patient interactions and suggesting summarized clinical notes. With ABELDent Scribe, you can convert your clinical conversations into structured notes that you can review, edit, and approve. Finish charts much faster so you can focus on your patients, and keep your patient information secure with HIPAA and PIPEDA compliance. Using ABELDent Scribe. ABELDent Scribe is easily accessible right from the patient sidebar, which can be opened from any screen in your ABELDent program. At the start of an appointment, simply select your preferred template and hit record with the patient's consent, and let Scribe capture the details as you go. When the appointment ends, stop recording and instantly review a Smart Note suggestion. You can edit and finalize the note directly in the Clinical Note Builder, ensuring accuracy before saving. Prefer to review later? No problem. Note suggestions are ready when you are. Available anytime before you log out. With ABELDent Scribe, patient note creation becomes faster, more consistent, and more precise, freeing you to focus on patient care. ABELDent Scribe is included in ABELDent PCS, Patient and Cloud Services, which is available with version 15, also known as ABELDent Cloud and Local Plus.